So now that we first completed our first code, we need to just add scenes, right? So all this way I'm going to just add some kind of new scene with some kind of props which is completely irrelevant. Don't worry about this. Now we'll do one thing. We'll just keep here. We need to also copy this, right? So this will be the most important thing. I'm going to press Ctrl C. I'll go here, right click on the scene, and I'm going to paste this. So this is what we're going to read it here. So I press apply. Now I think I'm going to keep the mouse here. Yes, it will be better. Okay, let's start, right? 1, 2, 3. This will be true as most of us depend upon people and expect more from others, and thus when other people do not meet our demands, we get desperate and depressed. Other people would love material desires and they are never satisfied with anything they get. Their desire for more always brings so much unhappiness. Keep a goal related to your meaning in life, build a goal that relates to your purpose, and all will be well. So okay, it goes almost like 27 seconds. So what I do is just delete the starting little bit. Okay, drag it slowly over here. Okay. So now what we are going to do is we are going to use Doodly Rainbow. You might see I got Doodly Rainbow. I purchased Doodly Rainbow just to show you how this really is. And another important thing is we are going to start previewing also. So that is a new option here. So how do we preview? I'll go here and I go press show preview. So this just show preview. Go here, press the button. This will be true as most of us depend upon people and okay, just a moment. I'll just extend this till here. Okay, till this blank space. Okay, right? This is how you're going to just align the things what you speak and what you do. Now let us preview once again. This will be true as most of us depend upon people and expect more from others, and thus when other people do not meet our demands, it should be, it's really going to take some time, but don't worry about this. Now again you need to preview. This will be true as most of us depend upon people and expect more from others, and thus when other people do not meet our demands, we get desperate and depressed. Okay, again hide preview. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just start inserting a scene from here. So I'll go here. It's kind of okay. Just drag it. And are you sure you want to continue? Yes, I'm going to continue. So for working, I'll make sure it press 50%. Now what I'm going to do is I need the scene till I think here, right? So this girl has to work out, right? So I'll just put this girl here. I'll take another character, some handsome guy. I'll put it here. Okay. So first would be this arrows, then the girl, then she need to tell something, right? So that becomes a more important. I'll go here to prop and bubble. I'll take a bubble. Okay, I'll just change the side of this bubble and I'll add some text here. I'll just go to does he like me and a question mark. I'm going to put a word wrap here. Okay, align everything properly. Now let's preview once again. This will be true as most of us depend upon people and expect more from others, and thus when other people do not meet our demands, we get desperate and depressed. Okay, it aligns perfectly, right? So I'll go press the scene once again. So I press scene settings. So this time I'm really not going to use any hands. So I'll switch it off and I go down here and no hand. Also I'm going to just switch off the subtitle. Okay, so let's see from first. I'm going to press save and press preview. 3 golden quotes that completely change the way I look at life. Quotes are sayings from great persons that give a meaning to life. Listening to some quotes motivate us to move forward even when we are sad and depressed. In this video, you will see my 3 best quotes that push me ahead when I want to move forward in my life. If you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things, by Albert Einstein. This will be true as most of us depend upon people and expect more from others, and thus when other people do not meet our demands, we get desperate and depressed. Okay, it's kind of good. Now we need to continue for the next scene. Yes, next scene I'm going to just add. And what would be the next thing? And up to we get depressed and despaired. Yes, we have finished till this. So other people would love material desires and much they are never satisfied with anything they get, right? So quickly what I'm going to do is I'm going to browse for the other scenes. So somebody with the money should be modern, right? Okay, some person with the money. Yes, I think this could set. So I press a scene here. So what I'm going to do is I need to align it and press it here. I'm going to just drag it here. So let's see. Okay, I think this should be the blank space. Okay, now let us kind of preview. 3 golden codes that completely change the way. I'm sorry guys, I don't need a preview from the first. It's really going to be bored. So we'll just start only till here. Other people would love material desires and they are never satisfied with anything they get. Their desire for more always brings so much unhappiness. Yes, this is exactly matching. So what we do is go here, right click for the scene settings. I don't need a hand, right? So once again I press no hand, and only we just got only just one more place left. We are going to quickly finish it. Other people, okay. This is also completed. Now the last one is keep a goal related to your meaning in life. Build a goal that relates to your purpose in all. Goal. Yes, we're going to add a new scene here. We'll just see the goal. Okay, this could be fine for goal, right? So I add something here. Okay, I'm going to hide preview. Nothing to worry. Don't worry about this. Just pull it a little bit. Okay. Okay, we go here. So she should have some gold, right? So we'll go to prop here and we'll type goal. Okay, we'll put a goal here, something like this, and okay, we'll just put some wordings here. And go press double click. My goal is to be fit. Yes, and I'll adjust it correctly. So order is first she is running, then this would be doing it, and my goal is to be fit. Okay, so if you really want to change the font here, don't worry about anything. Go drag this and drop it here. Yes, replace. Yes, that's all. It's very simple, right? So what we do is we are going to preview the scene right now. So before previewing, just switch off the hand. I don't need the hand. Okay, so let's preview this. Keep a goal related to your meaning in life. Build a goal that relates to your purpose, and all will be well. Yes, exactly matching. So this is how you're going to just align your scenes with respect to your voiceover. So use this show preview and hide preview many times to align your characters. So we're going to just save it here. So we have completed this entire area. So we'll have to just finish only this remaining few, right? So we'll just start with the code number 2 in the next video. See you then guys. Bye bye.